Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Shopify Collabs and how you can make them and integrate them into your site. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go into apps. Now, under apps, what we're going to search for is Collabs, and the first app that's going to pop up is Shopify Collabs. So we're just going to install that. As far as I know, this is an official Shopify application, and we're going to be using this to, of course, use it with Shopify. So let's go ahead and install that. That is going to open up a new authentication page where you're going to need to authenticate by clicking install. And once we do, it's going to go ahead and quickly install this into our site. After a few seconds, once this loads up, as you can see, Collabs is fully running. And now all you have to do is click get started. Now, what you're going to do from here is you're going to choose your email. It's going to autofill with the email you use for this page or for this app. And target market, you can choose the product category or choose the closest. I'll just do automotive just for the hell of it. And primary audience, let's say male, and agree to the terms of service. Click finish setup, and then that's going to open up the app for us. Now, as you can see, at least one location is required, so let's go ahead and choose Benin for an example. Click finish setup, and once that's done, it's going to open up the overview. Now, this is pretty much your main Collabs page, and you're going to go ahead and do everything from here. Pretty much you can go over into recruiting, and you can search for creators to share your profile and get applications for a collab. You can just search for creators over here, and then you can click on them, review their pages, and you can invite that creator to start a collab, and they will get a request, and they do need to approve that request to join as a collaborator. You also have programs which you can overview. You have the default here, which is 10% commission on all products or 10% per order for their discounts. You can set up a new tier if you want. You also have gifts, which you can give your collaborators, and you also have connections, which you can make with other people. These are pretty much, as far as I'm aware, like friends on Facebook. You can also go into payments and check out any payments that you should do or that need to be done. And you can go into settings to pretty much change anything you want, from email to socials to integrations to pretty much anything. But pretty much what you need to do is just invite creators by email or click on them and invite them to collab, or you can just share your profile to get applications for a collab with you. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.